This is a summary of using cortisol and adrenaline to boost our energy and immune system function from the Hubermanlab podcast, where we break down the key insights, ideas, and takeaways from this content, giving you the gist so you can decide if you want the rest. Dr. Andrew Huberman discusses how cortisol and adrenaline, epinephrine, influence energy levels, learning, memory, and immune system function. By understanding how to manipulate these hormones, individuals can enhance cognitive performance, boost immunity, and better manage stress. The episode covers various tools and practices to leverage cortisol and adrenaline effectively. The discussion explores the role of cortisol and adrenaline in regulating energy, focus, and immunity, how cortisol and adrenaline are released, and their impact on the body and brain. Effective protocols for enhancing immune function and learning, tools like cold exposure, breathing techniques, and exercise to optimize energy and health. The distinction between acute and chronic stress and their biological consequences. Cortisol and adrenaline overview. Cortisol, a steroid hormone made from cholesterol, vital for energy regulation, alertness, and immune function. Adrenaline, epinephrine, released from the adrenal glands and locus coeruleus in the brain, enhancing alertness, energy, and the immune system. Timing of release. Cortisol peaks early in the morning to help wakefulness. Its timing and level affect mood, energy, and learning ability throughout the day. Benefits of cortisol and adrenaline regulation. Cortisol mobilizes energy from stored nutrients, increasing blood sugar levels. Adrenaline enhances alertness, focus, and motivation. Immune system boost. Short-term increases in adrenaline stimulate immune cells to combat infections. Brief, controlled stress can enhance immunity for 1 to 4 days. Learning and memory. Adrenaline increases neuroplasticity and strengthens memory formation if released after learning sessions. Tools for boosting cortisol and adrenaline stress. 1. Morning sunlight exposure. Get sunlight within the first hour of waking to properly time cortisol release. Enhances focus, energy, and mood throughout the day. 2. Cold exposure. Ice baths, cold showers, or deliberate exposure to cold trigger adrenaline release. Recommended 30 seconds to 3 minutes of cold exposure to boost energy and immune response. 3. Breathing techniques. Wim Hof method, Tumo breathing. Cyclic breathing. 25 to 30 rapid inhales and exhales followed by breath holds. Increases adrenaline and energy, boosting learning and immune function. 4. High-intensity exercise. Physical exertion causes adrenaline release, enhancing immune function and focus. Effective when done for short periods up to 1 hour. 5. Fasting. Intermittent fasting increases adrenaline and cortisol, enhancing alertness and learning. Caution. Chronic fasting during stressful periods may exacerbate cortisol-related issues. Managing chronic stress and negative effects. Chronic stress results from prolonged exposure to cortisol and adrenaline. Negative effects: disrupted sleep, reduced immune function, impaired learning, and emotional imbalance. Increased risk of anxiety, depression, and metabolic issues. Interventions: ashwagandha reduces cortisol levels by 15 to 28%. Apigenin, chamomile extract, mild anxiolytic effects and reduces cortisol. Reducing licorice intake. Black licorice increases cortisol, reducing testosterone and estrogen. Non-sleep deep rest enhances neuroplasticity and helps reset the stress system. Practical protocols for enhancing energy and immunity. 1. Start the day with light exposure. Spend 10 minutes outdoors in the morning, 30 minutes if cloudy. 2. Use cold exposure or intense breathing techniques. Perform daily or a few times per week to boost adrenaline and immune function. Exercise for adrenaline release. Engage in high-intensity exercise to enhance energy and immune response. Use supplements if needed. Ashwagandha and apigenin for cortisol regulation and improved relaxation. 5. Avoid licorice. Black licorice increases cortisol and reduces testosterone and estrogen. 6. Leverage stress for learning. Engage in adrenaline-boosting activities after learning to enhance memory retention. Dr. Huberman provides a comprehensive guide to understanding and leveraging cortisol and adrenaline for enhanced energy, cognitive performance, and immune function. Balancing stress hormones is crucial, as short-term boosts can enhance health, while chronic elevation can have detrimental effects. By applying protocols involving light exposure, cold exposure, breathing techniques, exercise, and stress management tools, individuals can optimize energy and resilience. That's a wrap on using cortisol and adrenaline to boost our energy and immune system function. If you found this summary valuable, make sure to follow, subscribe, and come back for more in-depth breakdowns of content.